Baby! Baby!
Yes! Yes! Deal with her, honey! Don't let her go! Imagine what she did to me! Good! What have I done?
What have you done? Alright, let me break it down. You knocked down my beautiful wife yesterday. When I checked on you, you were so drunk, you were so reckless. I rushed my wife to the hospital with your car, but they pronounced her dead on arrival. Do you now understand what you did?
Please, don't hurt me. Please, shut up! You're so bad!
I brought you here because I must avenge my wife's death. I will make sure you die slowly. Yes, I promise you a painful death.
Honey, shut up!
It's hard to believe you're gone now. I can't believe you're forever. I'm in pain, my heart is bitter. I'm confused.
I know you are going through so much. I'm going through a lot as well. But it breaks my heart to see you cry yourself to sleep day and night. Please, you have to take it easy on yourself. I cannot rest in peace if you continue to be this hard on yourself. You were the best thing that ever happened to me, and I'm so grateful that we crossed paths. Baby, what happened has happened. Let it go. Stop blaming yourself.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for bringing untimely death upon you and my unborn child. I should have listened to you. You said you weren't in the mood to go out. You said it. I should have listened to you. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me and rest in peace. As for your killer, I will make sure she pays with everything that makes her a woman. Please forgive me and find peace in the bosom of the Lord. I'm sorry.
My love, it is not your fault. I cannot even rest if you continue to blame yourself for my death. It is not your fault. It is hers. She did it, not you.
God have mercy upon my soul.
Forever, baby, my everything. Our love is stronger. So let me go, my baby. Our love is stronger. Everything I have is gone.
Hello, sir. I'm so sorry, sir. I slept off. But I'm dressed already. I'll be there in the next 10 minutes. I'll be there in 10 minutes, sir. Alright, sir. Thank you, sir.
You took my life away, and also that of my child. I was 3 months pregnant and we were so happy. and you came out of nowhere and took away my joy. You took everything from me. And now my husband is so shattered. He is hurting day and night because of you. I can't comprehend why you did what you did to me. But I'm going to find out in my own way. I'm afraid my husband will hurt you. He's going to hurt you.
It's hard to believe you are gone now. I can't believe you are gone forever. I'm in pain, my heart is bitter. Oh, I'm confused, cause I can't believe she's gone forever. My baby, my everything.
You got drunk and ran over my wife out of your recklessness.
No.
I will never forgive you.
No, I swear to you I was not drunk. I have never tasted alcohol in my life.
Lie.
No, please.
You killed my wife.
I swear to you I wasn't drunk. I was drugged. I was not drunk. I swear, please, you have to believe me. Please. Please.
Explain.
I was drugged. I was not drunk. I swear to you, I have never tasted alcohol in my life.
I'm in pain, my heart is bitter. Oh, I'm confused, cause I can't believe she's gone forever. My baby, my everything. Oh, our love is stronger.
Yeah, my guy, Alpha now.
Oh, my baby.
How are you feeling now?
Everything I have is gone. You are
Yeah, I understand. I know it won't be easy for you, but you have to take things easy. You understand? You won't kill yourself. God knows the best. Don't worry. God will make it easy for you. Alright, I will be coming to pick you up. So go for clubbing. Alright, okay then, no problem. When you return back, let me know. So alright, take good care of yourself.
Oh,
Where is the blood coming from? Are you pregnant?
No, I'm on my monthly period. I have cramps. Please help me. Please. Oh, God.
I should help you.
I need bathing water. I just need warm water to bathe. I beg you. Help me, please. Please. Help me. I'm hanging by a thread. Please, I could die anytime. Oh, God. Please! I'm hanging by a thread. I could die any minute. Just please.
William, I do not have peace. I don't. Because this is not what I want. It is not. Just because I am gone, you decided to become this heartless and wicked person I can no longer recognize? Is this who you have always been? Were you just pretending when I was alive? Please, my love, please. You have to hear this lady out. In as much as I hate what she did to me, she has a lot to say, and you need to hear it. Please. That is the only way you can get to the roots of the problem.
I'm in pain, my heart is bitter. Oh, I'm confused, cause I can't believe she's gone forever. My baby, my everything. Oh, our love is stronger. Please don't let me go, my baby. Our love is stronger. Everything I have is gone. You are everything. Oh, it seems like I'm dreaming. Somebody please wake me from this dream. Oh.
Why did you kill my wife?
My heart is beating.
I was drugged.
By who?
Jasper.
Who is Jasper?
Jasper was my father's associate. He loaned my dad 2 million naira to start a business. My father went into cement and other building materials. And in the space of 8 months, his business bloomed. He was able to save millions of naira. So he gave Jasper the 2 million naira with an extra 1 million to show his appreciation. But Jasper was greedy. He's a selfish man. He told my dad to give him a stock in the company. He wanted a share in the company for free without investing in it. My dad refused. And then one day...
On my side, the evening is not good. Stella, you know why I am here. Killing you with my bare hands is like killing my own child.
I don't have the documents here. There's nothing in this house. Everything is with my lawyer, I swear to you. I swear.
Don't play games with me. I know I have the documents to one of the companies, but I'm here to take the second one. And if you are not arrogant and egoistic, I expect you to come and work in my company as a staff. But if it's not okay with you, that's your personal decision to take.
Chief, with all due respect, I am so sorry, but what you want will not happen today. You have killed my father. You have killed my fiancé. You've basically taken everything that means anything to me. Why are you so wicked? Why are you so cruel and heartless? Does it mean that the blood that runs through your veins has been filled with bitterness? Why are you like this?
You are stubborn as your father. And what happens to your father is about to happen to you, my dear. It was very easy for me to kill your father and that idiot you call your fiancé. And I could kill you. And nobody will say anything about it. Nobody will bat an eye.
Give me those documents now!
I will not do that. I told you I don't have them in this house. I'm not lying to you. Chief, please. Please, I'm begging you, don't hurt me, please.
All right. I'll give you something. Something very sweet. Something very enchanting. And maybe when you finish taking it, you can make up your mind whether you want to give it to me or not.
Please, I beg you. I don't have the documents here, please. Please. Chief, please don't hurt me, please. Please, I beg you, sir. I beg you, Chief, please. Chief, please, Chief. Chief, please, please. Please, I beg you. Please, Chief, I beg you, sir.
Out of the compound. After a while, I started to feel dizzy. I was too weak to control myself or handle the steering. I am so sorry I had to be your beloved wife. But I swear to you, I was not drunk. Look, if there's anything I can do to pay up for all this, I will gladly do it. I'm sorry.
How are we sure that you are not lying?
I will never lie to you. My name is Stella Mado Abuchi, daughter of Christopher Mado Abuchi. And I have never tasted alcohol my entire life. Everything I have said to you is nothing but the truth. I'm sorry.
Is your father Christopher Mado Abuchi?
Yes. He's the founder of Chris Mad Building Materials and Co. Do you know him?
I can't believe you are gone forever. I'm in pain, my heart is bitter. Oh, I'm confused, cause I can't believe she's gone forever. My baby, my everything. Oh, our love is stronger. Please don't let me go, my baby. Our love is stronger. Everything I have is gone. You are everything. Oh, it seems like I'm dreaming. Somebody please wake me from this dream. Oh, my heart is beaten. It's hard to believe you are gone now. I can't believe you are gone forever.
Brotherly.
I'm in pain. My heart is beaten.
I'm around now.
'Cause I can't believe she's gone forever.
I need to come see you. There is something very important I need us to talk about.
Our love is stronger. Please don't let me go, my baby. Our love is stronger. Everything I have is gone. You are everything. Oh, it seems like I'm dreaming. Somebody please wake me from this dream. Oh,
I honestly don't know what to do. Because I don't enjoy seeing you this way. But then I am helpless. My husband is going through a lot of pain. I've never seen him that miserable. I'm afraid he may kill you. But that is not what I want. At all. I do not want that. Wait. Can you actually hear me? Can you hear me? Hello? Hi.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to Chris Mago Building Accessories and Company. How may we be of service to you?
Good morning, Miss. My name is Joseph Okafor.
Okay.
I'm here to see the CEO. I'm from Okafor Cement. A few weeks ago, I had a partnership agreement with her concerning this company and my company.
Oh, I see.
In case you would like to see
The documents, yes, sure,
Yeah.
definitely. Okay.
all right.
Thank you very much. Okay, I think I've seen all I need to see for confirmation, but the CEO is not available at the moment.
Okay, right. I think I'll wait for her.
Okay, sir. Would love to work with you and many other companies, but there is a big problem.
Problem? What could be the problem? Because I know that my company has sorted everything needed for this.
Sir, the problem is actually from us. For a while now, the CEO has actually been missing, and all efforts to find her have proven abortive. But the police, they're on it, and I assure you, they are carrying out an extensive investigation. I'm sure she'll be found soon.
Really?
Yes.
What happened to her?
I don't really know the details. It's been a while now, but not to worry. The management, we can still work hand in hand with you and, smoothing out everything. And once she's found, she'll finalize the deal. That's actually how we've been working on contracts since the incident happened.
It's fine. I'll be back here to finalize everything.
All right, sir. That would be great. Thank you so much for coming. It's been a pleasure talking to you.
You're welcome. Hello? Hello, Williams? Williams, I can hear you. Hello? Yeah, Williams. Yeah, I went to the office. See, Williams, I think she's real. The whole story wasn't fabricated. No, she's not impersonating anyone. Yeah, Williams, the secretary told me that she has been missing for some time now. Yeah. We need to focus our energy on that man called Jasper. He's an evil man. Alright, Williams. Okay.
Please, I'm begging you, don't hurt me, please. Please.
Sit. What will you eat?
Anything is fine. Why is he being nice to me? Oh, God.
Relax. You're not dying today. The gun is for protection. While you eat, I would like you to tell me everything you know about Jasper.
Jasper? You mean Jasper?
Whatever his name is.
Look, I don't want Jasper to hurt you. He has caused you enough pain already. He's a very dangerous man.
Honey, please. You have to listen to her. Don't go after Jasper. Please.
Let me worry about that. You know where he lives, right?
No, I don't know where he lives. I've never been to his house, but I know a place where he's usually seen most of the time.
Where?
Okay. There's this bar.
I train girl for school from first year to final year. And the parents, now you won't come marry her because you come back from Malaysia. But I don't kill you, change my name. But hey, I will kill you.
Hey,
you get mad?
Calm down, boy.
Ooh. Can you imagine? I train girl for school from first year to final year. And the parents and the pay school fees. Now this guy come, won't carry me a woman married because they come back from Malaysia.
That's my boy.
Now no kill and call me bastard. Come on.
Calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
You good?
It's okay, my boy.
Because I don't go Malaysia.
Calm down. You see, I like you. I like your energy. You are just like me. Inside of us, we have the fire. And we don't stop until we get what we're looking for. See, let me tell you. You don't need to get lousy to get that guy. There are many ways to kill a man. You sit down and you strategize. Boy, I like you. I love your energy. You are just like me. We are similar in so many ways. And just like me, you carry that fire. You go for what you want. And you never get tired. You never get quenched until you get that thing that you want. That's what I like about you. You see, this is my card. If you want to learn more from me, just give me a call. I'll teach you all you need to do. All you need to know to handle situations like this.
Thank you, sir. I will call you this night, sir.
All right. And what's that your name?
Francis, sir.
Oh, Francis. Okay. I'll be waiting for your call tonight.
Thank you, sir.
All they fight because of woman make you find money.
Not that I know this. Paul not bro.
I like his energy.
Boss, my spirit's not like the guy.
When your boss likes something, you don't like it, you just keep quiet. Is that clear?
Sure, boss.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir. It's me, Francis, the guy from this afternoon. You gave me your card and asked me to call you, sir.
Evening, son. How are you?
I'm blessed.
Well, if you want me to teach you a few things that can make you a better man, will you like to work with me?
Yes, of course.
Okay. I'll do you a text with my address.
All right, sir. I will see you tomorrow morning, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good night, son. I like that boy.
Don't mess with me.
Wow.
Don't mess with me. Yes, I'm unpredictable. Don't mess with me. 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 Yes, I'm unpredictable. I'm ready to do anything to get what I want. I'm ready to do anything to get what I want. I'm ready to fight this battle to achieve my aim, even if it takes my last breath. I'm not
Francis.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Please come.
Thank you, sir.
Sit. Scorpion. Boss, get him a glass of wine.
Oh, no need, sir. I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Scorpion, please step aside with the boys. I want to have a moment with him. Francis, my son. Sometimes you don't get everything you need violently. Sometimes you need to take a seat, come up with a strategy, then work on it as fast as you can. There are many ways to kill a man.
You're right, sir. Just that I can't fold my arms and sit back, watch someone take my woman just like that.
Yeah, I understand the feeling. But don't worry, you will learn. All you need to do is just to be calm and listen to all I have to teach you.
Okay, sir.
Welcome to the jungle.
Scorpion, wetin dey happen now? Where they do you?
Boss, they dull me. Boss, they dull me. They fall my hand. How you go just see person for road, carry and join us? You know, make sense now.
The thing say shock me. I no believe it shock me.
They even carry and pass the normal process. You no see am.
But guy, that guy fit be correct guy.
Even at that, if I still pass the normal process, we go check am know whether e clean or e not clean. But you know what? My name na Scorpio. I dey bite once, but my pain dey flow through the vein. E go enter brain. I go match that guy. I go dey watch am whether e clear or e no clear.
I reason with you. Pass me the bars, my bars. Body para my bars.
Bro, Jasper wants me to start working for him, like, immediately. He likes me, but I have a problem. You see that is boy called Scorpio. From the look of things, I will have problem with that guy. Oh. No problem now. Let's see how it goes. Alright now. Good night.
Baby, you need to let this go. There is nothing you will do that can bring me back. You need to forget about going after Jasper. Release the girl and let her go. Now that we know everything was not her fault, she was drugged. Please, baby, let it go so you can find peace. Please. What?
He came in and dropped food for me.
Ooh, don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. Oh yeah. Don't mess with me. Yeah. 'Cause I'm unpredictable. Ooh. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me.
Authority. Mama Walawa. Everywhere good punch. Oh, where is that?
Francis, you're here this morning.
Yes, sir. I'm blessed.
Good morning, boss.
Good morning, boss.
Good morning.
This morning, you'll be going out with Scorpion. There are a lot of things he needs to show to you outside his house. Scorpion, you know exactly what to do.
Sure.
Off you go.
Chief.
My baby.
The most sexiest sugar daddy in town.
Yeah.
You're the one. Him of all the people around him. You can say that again.
My money is talking.
When are you going to the Dubai now, Chief?
It's you.
Just fix a date. Come on.
Let's make it this weekend.
We can. I'm going to pack my bags already. I'm packing my bags like this night. You are the sweetest among all.
You can leave Dubai for the UK.
Aww.
Stand up! They know they cry for here. I said stand! Your father has been a thorn in my flesh. Now that I have you in my house, let me see how smart he is.
Please.
Tomorrow morning, I'm going to ask him to send me 50 million times. And if he fails to do it, I will send you off like the others.
Please, I beg you. I beg you, please.
Scorpio! Take all of them into the holy room. Do that immediately. Stop. You stop. They know the driver here. Fly. Yes, boss. Get the glass. Yes, boss. Francis, please sit. Okay, sir. That's my girl. That's my girl. Slide. Yes, boss. Sir Francis, some wine. Step in. Francis, I'm proud of you. You're a good boy. Just keep it up. Your wish is my command. Can we have some music?
What I told you? Is how I was going to help this guy? You go carry wine, give him to drink. Fuck!
It dey pain me. At the face, na me you suffer the wine. At the face, guy, I need to reason with you. It dey pain me.
But you know what? I swear,
I must fuck that guy up.
Allah. Guy, calm down. We need to know who that guy be. Who he be, who he really be. We need to know.
But no matter what, I must fuck that guy up.
Yes, one of your boys told me that you're making plans to get me arrested for abduction, murder, and drug abuse. Now that I have your daughter in my possession, I'm going to sit back and see what you can do to me. Yes. You see, my business is to kidnap and ask my victim's family for ransom. And don't forget, we are also into human trafficking. Yes, I'll wait and watch and see what you will do to me. And be rest assured that she's safe with me. Completely safe with me. But if you try anything funny, I will sell her off. Oh. She has an upcoming marriage next weekend. Postpone it. Yes, postpone it. Nonsense. Oh, my boy, how are you? Good day, sir. You're welcome, my son. Thank you, sir. Sit down, my son.
I guess that was the commissioner, sir.
Yes.
Okay. I didn't see Scorpion outside. Has he not resumed work?
No, he's yet to resume.
Is he still angry about what happened yesterday?
Come on, you shouldn't.
You are our boss. And you are in the position to correct us anytime we are wrong.
Don't worry about it. I know how to deal with it. Let me go.
Good morning, boss.
Why are you just coming to work now?
Sorry, boss. I had an emergency plus the traffic.
Or are you still angry about what happened yesterday?
What happened yesterday? No, forgetting about that.
Sorry.
Boss.
I did not employ you to be sluggish.
My bad. I'm sorry about that.
Let this not happen again.
Thank you.
Scorpion, where's Jacko and Sly?
I saw them outside.
Alright. You guys should hang around because I might have something for you later.
It's okay, boss.
Boss, let him know it.
Alright.
So, Chief, how about the one you promised us?
How much did I promise you?
Just $1 million.
I'll make it 2 million.
Oh my gosh! Thank you so much!
Don't mess with me. Oh, yeah. Don't mess with me. Yeah. 'Cause I'm unpredictable. Don't mess with me. 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 'Cause I'm unpredictable.
Hello?
I'm ready to
Yes.
do anything.
The girls are available. No problem. Tomorrow, 5 of them, yes, they're available. I'll send them to you. All right. Scorpion, you said you had something you wanted to discuss with me.
Yes, boss. It's about Francis.
What about him?
Boss, I don't trust him. There seems to be this ulterior motives about him. Like, I'm not having a positive vibe where he is.
Listen, Sculptor. Whether you have positive vibes, you don't have positive vibes, it's none of my business. What has that got to do with me or the job he's here to do?
Okay, boss, try to understand it from my point of view. We need to checkmate this guy. We need to know where he's coming from. What has he done before? Where is he staying? More about this guy and all.
Listen, Scorpion, you seem to forget one thing. Francis didn't come looking for a job. I saw him, I liked him, I asked him if he could work with me. Listen, one thing I don't like is rivalry. I don't like rivalry of any form. Please, stop it.
But I still understand, but try to see my point of view from this end.
Okay, that's enough. Move this car. Let's get out of here. Move it!
I'm sorry, boss.
I'm ready to do anything.
Yes, I'm coming back with my phone.
Get what I want. I'm ready to do anything to get what I want. I'm ready to fight this battle.
Francis,
to achieve my aim.
What happened yesterday? I asked you to prepare some cocktails for Mr. Matthew when I had his car hoot. You went into the kitchen, you prepared the cocktail, you left it on the cabinet and disappeared into thin air.
I'm sorry about that, boss. I made the cocktail as instructed, but along the line I got an emergency call from home, so I left through the kitchen door. I didn't want to disturb you, sir. I'm sorry.
I called you countless times, only for Scorpion to get into the kitchen, and we discovered that you were nowhere to be found.
That's because I got an emergency call that my father was involved in an accident. I had to rush out. As we speak, he's in coma.
Sorry about that. I hope your father gets well soon. As it is, you have to stop work for some time so that you can put yourself together.
No, sir. My father is down, yes, but I'm mentally fit to keep working. Working will help me manage the situation. If I stop work, that means I will be thinking a lot. Please, let me continue working, sir.
Francis, you don't cease to amaze me. Anytime you find yourself in a difficult situation, you always have a way of getting out of it. That's why I like you.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome back.
I'm ready to do anything to get what I want. I'm ready to do anything to get what I want. I'm ready to fight this battle to achieve my aim, even if it takes my last breath. I'm not giving up. You know I'm a hard man. I do anything to get paid. Sell anything that money
come
can
in.
buy. So don't try to slow me down, 'cause I got no time to waste. Oh yeah, don't mess with me. Oh yeah, don't mess with me. Yeah.
Here's your breakfast.
Thank you.
I'm off to work.
Have a good day. Thank you for everything.
You're welcome, but don't get too comfortable. He may still change his mind.
You're welcome. Thank God I didn't kill you.
Yes, and for that too. Thank you.
What? What's that look? And you're sitting down? Williams. Hey, Will! I see what you're trying to do. For goodness sake, you killed me and you're looking at my man like that. Don't you dare. Don't you try it.
My heart is beating, oh, I'm confused, 'cause I can't believe she's gone forever. I'm living everything. Oh, our love is stronger. Please now let me go.
Sly,
Yes, boss.
Jakub,
Yes, boss.
go in and bring Helen.
Alright, boss.
Please, sir. I want to go home, please. Just let me go. I don't know what will happen to me if I lose my fiancé. Just let me go, please. Please, sir.
Do you think I'm joking? In 3 days, if I don't receive a call from the father, your body will have it moved.
Please. Please. I swear, I will not say a word to anybody if you just let me go. I won't tell anybody who you are. I will not, I swear. Please. Please, Sam, please.
Francis, take her back.
Please. Sam, please. Please. Sam, please. Please.
What? Your wish is my command, good or bad.
Francis, that reminds me. What about the guy that you were fighting with concerning your woman?
Which guy?
What do you mean by which guy? Huh? The guy you were both struggling for a woman. I've forgotten.
Oh, boss, forgive me, Adi Jones. I've been meaning to talk about him, but at the same time, I don't want to be too forward.
I can see that you have decided to let them be. You are no longer bothered. Well, the ball is on your court. You can play it the way you like.
To do anything to get what I want. I'm ready to do anything to get what I want. I'm ready to fight this battle to achieve my aim.
I know losing a loved one is like losing a vital part of us. I go to bed every night thinking of my dad. I wish I could see Jasper. I just want to strangle him to death.
I share the same sentiments with you. He deserves to die for what he did to you and your father. But then, should my husband also kill you for what you did to him? I don't think so. He's not a beast.
I'm sorry, Williams, for what I did to your wife. I couldn't stop driving. I didn't know if I was being followed or not. Please forgive me. I am sorry.
We have forgiven you. We understand it was not your fault. But please, I need you to stop trying to seduce my husband. For now. Please. I need him to focus so he doesn't get killed. Please.
I'm in pain. My heart is bitter. Oh, I'm confused. Cause I can't believe she's gone forever. My baby, my everything. Oh, our love is stronger. Please don't let me go. Oh, my baby. Our love is stronger. Everything I have is gone.
Are you Mr. Williams?
Yes.
The commissioner sent me to you.
Good. I have explained everything to the commissioner.
Okay.
The Jasper in question is a dangerous man that is into evil. He kidnaps, ransoms, he sells human parts. Now, he is with the commissioner's daughter. My point is this. Let's hurry up, else he will kill her or either sell her out.
I understand that he's bad and dangerous man being. The commissioner is on top of the matter. We'll try our best. I will make sure that, we get them apprehended. Just do your best and leave the rest for us. You know what to do.
The earlier the better.
Okay?
I'm with you. Once you need anything, just call me.
It's alright. It's alright. Thank you.
My brother. My regards to the commissioner.
It's alright. Thank you. Alright.
Yes. Your goods are ready. Is it not 5 packs? They are ready. Just come before 12 p.m. and you can pick them up. Oh, come on. This is not the first time we are doing this kind of transactions. You should trust me enough. Listen, just do the transfer, send one of your boys over, and you get the goods. All right. Take good care of yourself.
Chief. You know he's not supposed to doubt you, right?
Yeah.
So, Chief, when I'm going on the vacation you promised us?
Yes, that's true.
But you just heard me. I'm just trying to conclude this business transaction. Once it's over, we can plan for the vacation.
But Chief, this is exactly what you said last month. And you know promise and fail doesn't really go well with me. Especially.
Well, business has to come first. Or will you guys prefer that I sell you off too?
No, Chief.
No.
Oh, no.
And then, all you just need to do is to be patient.
Of course we are patient. But with small money in our pockets, we'll be calm.
That's exactly what I wanted to say. You're right, baby. You're right.
But by now, you guys should trust me.
We know.
All you need to do is just ask.
Just
one touch and you've gotten it. But let's go in first.
Are you kidding?
Just come and do that thing to me.
I know. I do give you hot. Just the way you like it.
Let's go and do it.
Okay, baby.
Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. Oh, yeah. Don't mess with me. Yeah. 'Cause I'm unpredictable. Don't mess with me. 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 'Cause I'm unpredictable. I'm ready to do anything to get what I want. I'm ready to do anything to get what I want. I'm ready to fight this battle to achieve my aim, even if it takes my last breath. I'm not giving up. I'm a hard man. I do anything to get paid. Sell anything, the money come back. So don't try to slow me down, 'cause I got no time to waste. Don't mess with me. Oh yeah. Don't mess with me. Oh yeah. Don't mess with me. Yeah. Don't mess with me. I'm unpredictable. Don't mess with me. 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 'Cause I'm unpredictable. I'm ready to do anything to get what I want. Yeah. I'm ready to do anything to get what I want. I'm ready to fight this battle to achieve my aim, even if it takes my last breath. I'm not giving up. I'm a hard man. I do anything to get paid. Sell anything, the money come back. So don't try to mess with me. Don't give a damn. Don't mess with me. Oh yeah. Don't mess with me. Oh yeah. Don't mess with me. Yeah. 'Cause I'm unpredictable. Don't mess with me. 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 'Cause I'm unpredictable.
Nonsense! I slept. And you all slept like fools. You allowed Helen to be in this house. Huh? Listen to me and listen carefully. I'm giving you 2 hours to get her.
If you don't, you won't believe what I will do. Nonsense.
I'm sorry, boss. I don't know how I slept off. I slept off. You guys also slept off too. Boss, we're sorry. But boss, trust me. I locked the door. I'm suspecting Francis.
Shut up! Francis left this place by 12 p.m. You prepared the food. So why are you bringing the innocent boy into it? Listen, 2 hours. Go out there and get Helen in 2 hours, live or dead, or else I'll wipe out the whole of your family.
Sorry, boss. Sorry, boss.
Get out of my sight!
Boss, the boy don't know that I wish is my command, good or bad.
What happened?
But your face no pure. What did you say?
She's gone.
What?
Who?
Helen is gone.
I don't know. House, Scorpion and the rest of them slept off. She's gone. She's nowhere to be found.
Boss, that means we're in danger. This place is no longer safe.
Yes.
If Helen is gone, that means she might have exposed us to the police. I beg, let's change location.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm waiting for the police. Let them come and find me.
Boss, the police might invade here any moment from now. Helen might have exposed us, so please, let's change location and monitor what's going on from there.
Alright, you have a point there.
But I promise you, I will find Helen.
Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. Oh, yeah. Don't mess with me. Yes, I'm unpredictable. Don't mess with me. 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 Yes, I'm unpredictable. I'm ready to do anything to get what I want. I'm ready to do anything to get what I want. I'm ready to fight this battle to achieve my aim, even if it takes my last breath. I'm not giving up, you know I'm a hard man. I do anything to get paid, sell anything the money can buy. So don't try to slow me down, cause I got no time to waste. Don't mess with me. Oh yeah, don't mess with me. Oh yeah, don't mess with me. See, don't mess with me. I'm unpredictable. Don't mess with me. 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 I'm unpredictable. I'm ready to do anything to get what I want. Yeah, I'm ready to do anything to get what I want. I'm ready to fight this battle to achieve my aim, even if it takes my last breath. I'm not giving up, you know I'm a hard man. I do anything to get paid, sell anything the money can buy. So don't try to mess with me, don't give a damn. Don't mess with me, oh yeah, don't mess with me.
Hello, David. David, you are a wonderful guy. Your idea worked. Yes. Using Stella's name as the suspect for my father's hit and run accident worked perfectly well. And guess what? Everything she told me is true. Yes, she didn't lie. Jasper confessed. He told me everything. As we speak, I have it on record. Yes, I recorded it. I have it on record. Thank you very much, David. Your idea worked.
To do anything to get what I want. I'm ready to do anything to get what I want.
I said stop
I'm
it!
ready to fight this battle.
I said stop it!
Listen, please. Try to listen to me. I'm having this negative image about Francis. That guy's not real. Why can't you get him off your lips? Can't you say it? This young man is innocent. And to think that he came to me pleading on your behalf, that I should call you back to work, and you are there trying to run him down? Was
Come on, come on. Oh no, child. Look at him. My boy! My boy! My boy! Come here, my boy. Come here, my boy. Oh.
Please, I want to go home.
They're not crying for here. Shut up. But tell me, what?
Mr. Jasper, you are under arrest for drug, human trafficking, and kidnapping.
Francis, you betrayed me?
it's a payback.
You drunk.
Move him. It was all a game. It's not over yet. I'll be back. I assure you I'll be back.
Your money can save you, Mr.
I'm in pain. My heart is bitter. Oh, I'm confused. Cause I can't believe she's gone forever.
Hello, Stella. What's up?
Hi. Good evening. How are you?
I'm blessed. I don't know. Will you be free this weekend? Saturday to be precise.
Okay. What's going on?
It's my birthday. So I want us to have a dinner date. David won't be in town.
Wait, hold up. This Saturday, 28th of June, is your birthday.
You won't be available.
No. It's not that. It's my birthday too.
Please be serious. Excuse me.
Why would I joke with such? Saturday is my birthday.
Wow. What a coincidence. That means we will be celebrating together then.
Yeah. Yes, you're right. But I'd prefer an indoor date.
No, I have a restaurant in mind.
No. Indoor is fine.
Okay. Will you be willing to come over to my house?
Let's see. Let me think about it. Yes, of course I would. But I will do the cooking, okay? Because I don't want you to prepare those concoctions that you usually prepare.
Okay, done deal. See you this weekend.
Okay, I'll see you then. Yeah, good night.
Ciao.
My heart is bitter. Oh, I'm confused. Cause I can't believe she's gone forever. My baby, my everything. Our love is stronger. Please now let me go. My baby. Our love is stronger. Everything I have is gone.
This whole thing seems like a joke, but I know you wouldn't joke with such. Guy, I told you that you are in love with this girl. Bro, come on. You can find love anywhere. You can find love mostly in unexpected places with an unexpected person. You get? What have you called her? Alright, I'm coming over to your place. Let me see what I can do.
Hi, David.
Hi, Stella. How are you? Happy birthday to you. I mean, happy belated birthday to you.
Aw, thank you. Thank you so much. How's Williams?
That's why I'm calling you. Williams is not feeling fine.
What is wrong with Williams?
In fact, he's dying. You need to come over right
Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm coming, okay? I'll be right there. I'm coming. Williams, please. You cannot do this to me. Williams, please, you cannot die on me, please. Please, look, please, I'm here. Please, just give me one chance. One last chance. Let me show you how much I love you. Williams, please don't die on me. Please, look, I love you. I fell in love with you the day you helped me with my cramps. I fell in love with you even though you were my abductor and you tortured me. Williams, I love you. Please don't die on me, please. Please don't die on me, please. I thought you were dead.
Miracle, baby. Miracle still happens.
I love you.
Love you more, baby.
Don't even do this to me. It's so funny.
I'm sorry, love. It was David's idea.
I thought I lost you.
No, you can't. Come here.
Can you guys take it slowly? There is an adolescent here.
What you did is not funny. I don't like it. It's not funny.
It's okay. It's okay, baby.
My love, I am very happy now, and I'm extremely proud of you. For some time now, I have found peace, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart for struggling as much as you have for me to find peace. Thank you for listening to me. You're a good man, and I'll forever be grateful that our path did cross, even if it was for a short time. Thank you. But I'm sorry. I will have to go now. I will actually be gone for a while. I'm not sure when next I will be back, but I can assure you that nothing, absolutely nothing will happen to you and Stella. And I want you to love her even more than you love me. She's a good lady. She is. She's going to give you beautiful kids. And your dream of a happy ever after fairy tale will be fulfilled. I want you to give her this. Tell her I give her my blessings. And that I'm at peace too. I hate to say goodbye to you, but it's about time. Thank you, my love. And I bless you both from the bottom of my heart. I'll protect you both any way I can from where I am. I'm at peace now. I'm at peace now.
Thank you, Cassie. May your soul continue to rest in peace until we meet again.
Our love is stronger. Please don't let me go, my baby. Our love is stronger. Everything I have is gone. You are everything. Oh, it seems like I'm dreaming. Somebody please wake me from this dream. Oh, my heart is beaten. It's hard to believe you are gone now. I can't believe you are gone forever. I'm in pain. My heart is bitter. Oh, I'm confused. Cause I can't believe she's gone forever. My baby, my everything. Oh.